Hi there, this is Millie with Visiwise. In this video, I'm going to show you the Demurrage Management section on Visiwise. Here would be your proactive command center designed to eliminate costly demurrage fees. It provides complete end-to-end visibility, helping you act before charges are incurred. We automatically pool and merge data from multiple sources like carriers, port terminals, and railways to give you a single trusted source of truth for your container's free time status. Every container has different statuses in terms of demurrage. Let's dive in. Here on Visiwise dashboard, we have added this demurrage section. Once you click on it, you can see all the containers that need your attention for their demurrage status. There are different things in here like pick application type. Some of them are seaport. It means that the containers are not going to be loaded on rail, and some of them are inland. It means that once a container arrives to the port of discharge, it needs to be loaded on rail. Then you have demurrage statuses here, like the data missing, at risk, picked up but demurrage incurred, arriving soon, pending arrival. Once you click on this section, you can see more detail, like you can see the demurrage status, you can see that the POD terminal checklist like vessel arrival, you can see the ETA, once the container will be discharged, or the last free day from the ports and terminals. For example, for this one, this container, we picked it up but demurrage incurred. Why? Because once we click on it, we can see the details. The container arrived to port of discharge on November 28th, and it was discharged from the vessel on the same day, but it was picked up on December 10th, which terminal last free day was December 4th. So if we scroll right, here we can see even the details like the date that it was discharged at POD, the date that it was picked up from the terminal, and the last free day, which in this case 6 days have been calculated for demurrage. You can see even the rail information as well. Here also you have some filters that you can filter your list by their demurrage statuses, by the location type, if it is inland, which will be loaded on rail, or if it is seaport, and the other filters in here. And one more thing that is added to the dashboard is that once you open up a shipment, you have this Demurrage Management tab in here, that you can see the full detail of that demurrage status. And if you also click on this help button here, you can see the full definitions of how we calculate these kind of demurrages and what are the definition of each status, which I described in this video, but you can have access to that section via this help button in here. And the last thing that I want you to take care of is that once you see a container here, and if you detected any kind of issues, because this is a beta version, that would be very great if you could click on this report an issue and describe the issue for us so we can take care of that, we can check it out, and we can improve the system. Thank you for watching this video.